training. In this session, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to connect to Visual Studio Code. Basically, we'll try to connect Visual Studio Code to this particular org. Okay, we'll try to set up Visual Studio Code for development of LWC. So basically, you have to download VS Studio Code from the site and install it. You got to go to Visual Studio Code. And you got to download it from here. Once you download it and set it up in your machine, you have to do one more thing is you'll have to set up this extensions. So open this up. So here you have to say sorry, Salesforce CLI extension. Okay, extension pack. So these extension pack will help you do development on Salesforce LWC with it. And you also have to download the CLI, the command line interface one. So you got to install these packs. Okay, they are usually from Salesforce. Do not install any other unknown packages. So you got to install all of this, and once you install, you need to restart the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so these are the first few setups that you need to do. So basically, what you need to do is, let me write it down here. Create a developer org which you have created a developer org in Salesforce. Second is download Visual Studio Code. Install Salesforce CLI and extension. Plugins. Okay, these extensions you have to install in your Visual Studio Code. Then you restart the VS Kit, and then we are good to go. So make sure that you have got these basic things working. So once this is done, we can get started with actually connecting to the Salesforce org and start to build LWC.